Hello and welcome to this channel. Have you ever worked on a large file or even a small file and asked if there is an easier, quicker, and more efficient way to summarize, compare, and analyze data? If this sounds interesting to you, please continue watching because in this video, I will show you an overview on how we can use pivot tables to help us get different results quickly and efficiently. So for example, we have a clothing company and the name of the company is Clothing for All. We have the 2019 sales data, and in this sales data, we have the date of sale, we also have the category, the type and the subtype of clothing sold, the number of units sold, and sales in dollars. What if we want to understand our data and we would want to know what the different categories are? For this, we just simply drag the category field into the rows area, and this will give us a snapshot of different categories. We can remove the categories field and drag the type field into the rows area. Now we can see what the different types of clothing are that we have in our 2019 sales data. We can remove the type field and drag the subtype field into the rows area. Here we can see a snapshot of the different subtypes of clothing from our 2019 sales data. What if we want to know the sales in dollars by month? We can remove the subtype field and drag the date of sale field into the rows area, then drag the sales in dollars in the values area. Remove the date of sale column, and here we now have the summary by month. Change the number format and we have a report that summarizes the sales in dollars by month. That's how we can quickly and efficiently summarize data using pivot tables. It doesn't take a lot of time to do it. We can choose to show values as a percentage of grand total if we want to know the percentage of sales each month within the year. We change the column label to properly describe the information summarized in the report. Here we can see that January has the highest sales and it's more than twice the sales in December. We can also see that July has the lowest sales. Let's return to the sales in dollars summary we have previously. If any of the information and the source data changes, we can refresh the pivot table report to reflect the changes in the data source. So for example, the sales in dollars here changed by $10,000 reduction. To update the pivot table report with the change, we simply refresh the report and it reflects the updated numbers. We can drag the category field into the columns area, and this will give us a summary of sales by category. We can also see how much of each category makes up the sales in each month. In this report, we can see that the total sales in April is $352,700. Of this total, $47,900 is from kids category, $100,150 is from the men's category, and $204,650 is from the women's category. That's an overview of how we can use pivot tables to increase productivity. If this is something that you think will be helpful to you, and if you would like to learn more, please check the other videos on pivot tables and subscribe to this channel. And if you would like to get notification whenever new videos are posted, click on the bell icon beside the word subscribed and click on all so that you will get notification for all the new videos posted in this channel. So the steps are: first you need to subscribe, then click the bell icon and then click on all. I would love to hear from you, so please feel free to leave comments in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy the videos.